Good Lord. We're at Bucky's. Boat's topped off. Get some trash out of the truck real quick. See? Everybody's favorite gas station in the world. And we're meeting my good buddy Clint at the boat ramp. Oh, lights gotta hit. And we're gonna see if we can't catch some fish this morning. So y'all stay tuned. I'll see you on the water. Same fish, bro. Same fish. Ooh, good Lord. A big fish just swam around the boat.
Where's that net?
Oh no!
She's heavy.
That's strong.
Alright. I can see.
Ooh, good God, that's a good one. Oh, I'm sure this one's gonna get it. I'm gonna get him out of there. Come on.
A red.
This boat don't have no ass.
That's a good fish right there.
Might be time to switch poles. Jeez. No, that's a drum, I think.
It is. It's a good
Don't
one.
break off.
You gonna break off when you got braids.
No, this one don't have braid.
Oh, okay.
Come on. Red.
It's a red.
Ugh.
A little short, but it's a red.
Here we go. Heck, the redfish.
Telling you. Hey. Another red.
Oh, is it? Oh yeah.
Okay.
Is it? Well, I gotta go. Well, oh!
Yeah, it's in the boat.
Good drum. I don't know if it's a keeper, but it's a drum. There we go.
That one on the board. Yeah, sure.
Oh, look at that. Woo-hoo.
Yeah.
Oh,
I caught it from the outside in. Yeah. 14.
There we Need that?
Good
Gonna grab a nut. Sorry, the tackle box is all. Where you at?
Yeah, they're back.
Clint over here robbing my spot. You intentionally had me. I see how it is.
Sabotage it. Red. There we little short. Dang
Pretty one though. Spinning around like the camera thing. Oh. Y'all don't see is Clint intentionally sabotage me.
I made sure that wasn't on film. No sabotage caught on film.
Ooh.
Yep. Straight. 7/16. 2 inches short.
No, this is a good one. This is a good one. Come on. He's trying to get me in the hole. He ain't a monster, but I'm pretty. Ooh, crap.
That's red.
Yeah.
Oh, God. That's a kid.
Right?
No. Slow drone.
There we go.
Here we go.
No, don't you do it. Don't you do it. He'll be close.
Mm-hmm.
Trying to get me that hole.
Sorry, Clint.
It's short like everything else with it.
Yeah.
Story of my life. Yeah, you spoke too soon.
Yeah. That'll be 4.
Almost 30-40 minutes after I threw it down and threw him back.
Yeah.
And he swam off.
Go.
Come on, get that one there. Here. Watch the boat.
No.
No, don't get back. Good.
Oh, no.
There we go.
That'll keep.
Woohoo!
Camera's off again.
God. You had me run the hole.
Keep them. Good.
rib. It's been hit on its back before, see it? Well, y'all, that's all. Me and Clint got 3 in the cooler. Had a good time. So, we'll see y'all next time on the water.